guys, it's Angus
and Oscar.
We're from True Blue Touring. We'd just like to give you a quick update on our recent couple of days. So we left Sydney on Saturday the 29th and headed up to Newcastle to meet the guys at All Four Spares, who gave us an induction to their facilities and a bit of a showroom walk around, which is really cool. We met a few of the guys, Mitch and Peter and Chris, and yeah, we had a really good day there before we drove up to Scone.
On the way to Scone, had a bit of a run-in. Went through an RBT and some of the cars got a bit scrutinised. Christian's LN106 Hilux got pulled up for not having a muffler on it. So then it was, from there we made our way up and tried to figure out a way to fix it.
Yeah, so he got a blue slip, so we had 7 days to fix it. So we decided that we were going to push up to Moree and then into Mungangai, which is where we are now, to fix it. So we met up with a few of Tim's really good mates who own a big property out here. And so we camped the night last night here while Christian and WARDY went back down to Moree to get it fixed, and they welded up a new muffler and cleared the defect. And so we're gonna go to bed early tonight, wake up early tomorrow, and punch up to Emerald hopefully, and then go from there. From there we head up to Cairns over the next 2 days, ducking in and out of state forests. Once we stocked up in Cairns, we set up camp about 40 k's north in Kuranda State Forest. We left the forest the next morning through Flaggy Creek Track, which was our first experience with a river crossing in the croc zone. Since no one wanted to walk it, we sent the 105 in first with the recovery gear out and ready. It ended up being not too deep and had a firm base, so the convoy continued through. After the creek, we had a few more obstacles like fallen trees and steep gullies. Stay tuned on Instagram and YouTube as next week we begin the Cape York leg of the trip.